Okay. Hi everyone. I hope I am audible. I welcome you all to this channel. My name is Krishna, and I usually take trades in Bank Nifty option. I mostly do option trading in stock market. And let's analyze the logic behind taking the today's trade. On this 14th June, I was having meeting in the morning time, so I'd taken entry at around this 9:50, but there it says I exited because I have to present something and I couldn't manage the position, so I exited immediately. But market moved upside, and similarly today also it made similar kind of structure, and I was not having much confidence into this trade because same kind of structure market may not uh, perform on daily basis, but we were having 3 4 days of 3 days of gap, so the previous days setup wouldn't be much affecting to the next day. So that was first thing. So I got some confirmation there that like I can go upside because the setup itself showing me that I should be taking entry in the upside, because see, in the downside first, in the first let's move into the 1 minute time frame. Here I was seeing a downside trade, but it is like I never take trades in first 5 minutes, so I didn't take any entry inside here. I was waiting for some retracement. I mean, I was waiting for some support area where it can start bouncing upside. And if we draw the fib from here till here, okay, sorry, it is not like this way. I think I checked. Yeah, so if we come here, right? So this is the major area support, and if we uh, okay, anyway, let's ignore this logic. I'm not sure. I completely forgot like what I was thinking here in the morning. I found this area as a support. Okay, so that I don't know, like if I get it again in the next video, I'll explain you. So on this day, I take an entry, but I immediately exited because I was not able to manage the trade along with the call. So that was like on that day. So I did made nothing on that day. So today again similarly it formed same kind of structure, and I was just waiting for internal breakout in the upside, and I found that here this area was like resistance upside. If it has to move, it has to move from here only in this area. So market didn't do in that way, so it breaks this up, and as the moment it break, I entered into this candle at around 9:33. If we see, right, like at around 9:33 I have taken entry into the trade, and I was planning that if market comes downside, right, so I will start building, I'll keep on building my position. So at around so it was like at 270 I bought it, right? So I was planning to build another position at 230, and at 200 another quantity I'll be adding, and my SL would be at 180. So that was the plan. And whatever the loss, it was calculative risk. So thinking all those things and keeping those things in my mind, I take this entry because there is no chance that like if it started moving upside, I wouldn't even get any entry further. So I have to take have to take some entry at this point. It was not confident. I was not confident into this trade, but yeah, I take an entry, and I was planning to build if it starts coming downside, and the moment it breaks this level, I will be exiting from my trade. So it was like at 180 my SL will be planning. So that was my SL. So these are all the things that I kept in my mind, and I didn't get any chance to keep on adding this into this trade. So it started moving upside, and around 100 plus points when I saw into the trade, I exited from this trade, because see, it has given breakout in the upside and it will go upside, but there is no chance if it starts coming downside, right? So there is no guarantee that it may go keep on moving upside. Okay, so that is another thing I thought. And again, 100 points are more than enough in a trade from the Bank Nifty. And this also made me like yeah, uh, uh, I haven't made any loss. That is a positive thing today. So I exited, although quantity was very less and the profit was also like it is okay. So this is the profit that I made today. And Logic was pretty much simple and straightforward. The market is in upside, and the yesterday's bullishness is itself explained me that it is going to be move in the upside, and once this resistance it breaks, right, the resistance that we are seeing here at the top, it will be going for upside after today. So yeah, that is all from this trade. I think I have explained the logic about that 1 minute time frame, the support area that I found, right? I'll be explaining it, but you can use indicator called CPR. That indicator was also indicating that this is the pivot point area. From here it will be uh, moving upside, so that another indicator I usually use in the market. So that indicator also explaining that this is the area where it can move upside, and it's once it started moving upside I have taken entry. So that indicator, another indicator, you can use it to analyze where from where it can bounce back and all. So that is the idea behind this trade, and I was able to capture near around yeah, I mean, when it was, it moved around 378, something around that. Like, I'm not sure. During the square of it, I was able to square book around these points. So this is the profit I was able to make today, and yeah, that is all from this video. Thank you for watching.